boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. I have Kehlani here for you, this brilliant singer, and she does this performance in a color show, and she performs Folded. That's a great song, so let's go into this one. Very easy to play. So I use a capo on first fret. That's the scenario I use here, best one, and with that 3 easy chords. We're gonna learn F major 7, E minor, and the D sus2. So let's start with F major 7 first. So we're gonna play 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next is E minor. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the D sus2, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. The strumming pattern I use for this one is this. Okay, so if you grab the first chord, F major, and by the way, these chords goes in the same order through the entire song. So you're gonna play down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. All right, like that. So you're gonna play F major 1 string around, E minor 1, and D sus2, and that just goes round and round like this. Alright guys, so good luck with Kehlani's Folded. It's a great song and easy to play on guitar, so yes, have a good one and play tuned.